Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the network and account so the rest goes smoothly. Connect your router or run an Ethernet cable. You need stable bandwidth because streaming quality depends on it. Sign in or create the Cloud TV account now and keep your email and password visible for entry. Once that's done, power on the TV box or smart TV, plug HDMI to the TV, and have the remote and any USB storage nearby so setup won't stall. Next, connect the device and install the Cloud TV app so you can access content. Plug the streaming box into the TV HDMI and select that input. Pairing often begins automatically. Input your Wi-Fi details or use Ethernet for lower latency. This matters because buffering stems from weak connections. Open the TV's App Store, find your provider's app, install it, and grant permissions like network and storage, so the app can download and cache data efficiently. Finally, sign in and verify playback to complete the setup. Enter your credentials and any two-factor code. This authorizes the device. Play a short SD clip first to confirm decoding, then switch to HD or 4K to test sustained bandwidth. This checks buffering and quality. If playback stutters, restart the device and router, run a speed test, and clear the app cache. Those steps fix most issues quickly. Make sure you update firmware and app to prevent recurring problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.